See, with this stuff, I can only recording stuff. I can only go like a couple minutes though, or uploading it. It'll take too long though. I don't know how them people that sit and uploaded TV shows and movies and stuff and do it though, because it'll take you all day. Like an hour and a half movie. Like if you uploaded the whole if you uploaded the whole 4, 3, 2, 1 or some other stuff, it'll take you all day. I don't know, man, because it takes a while though to do it though, but it's okay though. I don't really mind it though. I'm just having fun. I was thinking of going and do it. I don't have that much money left. It's like, because after I bought that stuff on my car, because the best thing to do, if you're worried about identity theft and stuff and people stealing from you, is to get one of those prepaid cards. Yeah, and just load it up with cash. That's the best thing to do. Like if you're worried about spending too much or people stealing from you and stuff, get one of those prepaid cards and just put cash on it. Load it with cash, and then use it to buy stuff. Yeah, that's the best thing to do. I need to get the WWE Network, because Fastlane's next week, I think. And that's gonna be cool though, man. Fastlane. Man, I love YouTube though. I've been wanting to do YouTube videos for 5 years though. See, because some of the people I follow that I follow on Twitter, some of them are the same, are the people that had YouTube accounts that don't do it anymore. Yeah, they did YouTube videos, and then they don't do it anymore. But they still do Twitter, and yeah, that's pretty cool. Some of them, yeah. Some of them quit. They deleted all their stuff. They're probably back on it though, but yeah, they're probably back on again. I was thinking of going to Salvation Army though and see what they got. Yeah, that'll be good. I actually want some cards though. Some baseball cards. I love baseball cards. Baseball cards are good though, man. Baseball cards. I love baseball cards. I like buying from eBay, but yeah, yesterday I was gonna buy something from it and they're acting funky. The eBay site was acting funky about my card though, so I couldn't do it. I didn't buy it. I found this great deal, man, for future stars. I like the Cubs though. The Chicago Cubs is my favorite team. My dad's favorite team is the Yankees though. But my favorite baseball team is the Cubs. Like this football season, I was mostly into college. Like I really just watched Bama and Mizzou games. That's really what I only watched though, with Bama and Mizzou games. Because I was sitting there this year. I was mostly into baseball. Yeah, this year I was mostly in baseball, man. Man, I love the Beach Boys though. Beach Boys is good. Of course they done tons and tons of greatest hits albums, their collection and stuff. That's what they've done. But their new album, that came out a couple years ago with the members, it's good though. It's really good. I remember seeing it at what's that place called? at Barnes and Noble. Barnes and Noble. That's where I saw it at. And man, I wanted it, but it was too much. So then, like, was it this week? I went over to FY. Now last week at FYE, I saw it for $4, like $4, and then this week I got it. Cause last week I got I got Surfing Safari, the first album. This week I got the other album they got. They have other ones, but they're like $20 each, man. I don't want to pay $20 for an album. That's too much money. Well, I gotta stop now, man. Bye.